In this video, I'll detail how to disable or turn off show notifications indicator on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you have an Apple Watch Series 9, either 41mm or 45mm with GPS or with GPS and cellular, whichever one you have, this video is going to show you how you can disable or turn off the notification indicators on your Apple Watch. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do here is you want to press the crown button once to exit the clock screen and take you to the app menu. Then locate the settings icon and click on it. Once you click on that, just scroll down, locate notifications and click on that. Then you should see notifications indicator. To disable this, just turn this off. And once this is disabled, you no longer see a red dot on your Apple Watch screen that shows you have notifications. And to turn it on back, just turn this on. So that is how you can easily turn off notifications indicator on Apple Watch Series 9. If you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.